you're praying for me.
I was being, looking at your eyes, forcing me.
Look ugly right now.
Kelvin, give a shout out.
Hey.
No, serious.
I'm fucking tired. Alright guys, look, I'm all cleaned up today.
Oh yeah. I look like shit today.
Yeah. You're sort of wearing red in a way. And who's wearing red too?
I want to be pretty, but anybody have a
But it's on the left side, so it doesn't count.
Stephanie, does this fit in your purse? Yeah, hold on.
My girlfriend.
I'm recording. Oh, crap. Paulina!
Bitch left early.
I'm kind of recording, you know?
We gotta go I didn't.
This is gay. I'm like all freaking nervous for that final exam. People back there say hi.
Hey, I'm back to
I think you're gonna bother you with that the whole nature.
Hi, Bunny. Give a shout out, Bunny. Give a shout out to Louie, she's my cousin, and Maria, because I love her. Who else? And Kelvin, and Caesar, and Stephanie, and everybody.
What?
Is there a special someone you want to give? No. No. Okay. Okay.
Get away from me.
Everybody that I love.
Yeah,
Wait.
let's come with Ellen.
Tienes rabia.
Okay, go. I'm gonna try to look for Ellen. Si no lo encuentro,